How to buy ARXIV token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. Now this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token have the liquidity locked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here and go and open your wallet. For this, I will use Phantom Wallet. And remember, this token came under Solana network. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see. Now select your token. This is it. Just click on it. And after that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, it's how much you receive. Now select the provider between these two, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. And after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issues with that, just go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the ARXIV token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.